In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark theme in n8n for a more comfortable workspace. If you spend long hours building automations, switching to a dark theme can reduce eye strain and help you focus. We'll walk through the exact places in n8n where you make this change, and I'll share a few quick tips along the way so nothing feels confusing. Start by opening the Settings panel in your n8n dashboard. After you log in, look for the Settings option in the main interface. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a gear icon or a labeled menu item. This area controls your personal preferences, the things that shape how n8n looks and feels just for you. Don't worry, you're not changing workflows or system behavior here. You're simply adjusting your own interface. Inside Settings, head to the Personal or Personalization section. The wording can vary slightly depending on your version, but you're looking for the place that manages user interface options. This section is all about how the workspace appears on your screen, the overall theme, colors, and visual style that frame your workflows and editor panels. Think of it as your visual comfort zone, tailored to the way you like to work. Now, find the theme setting within Personalization. You'll see a list of appearance options. This is where the magic happens. Select Dark Theme to switch from light mode to a darker color palette. n8n introduced this option to make extended sessions more comfortable, particularly in low-light environments or when you want to reduce glare. Choosing dark mode won't affect how your nodes execute or how workflows run. It simply changes the interface visuals, so you can keep your focus on building without visual fatigue. Once you pick dark theme, the change is immediate, no extra confirmation needed. The entire interface updates at once. The workflow canvas, node panels, menus, and the editor all shift to a darker color scheme with carefully balanced contrast. You should notice text and icons remain clear while the background becomes less intense, which can help you stay in the zone longer. If the display feels too dim or too bold, you can fine-tune your monitor brightness or system-wide contrast settings to match your space. And if you ever want to return to the previous look, you can come right back to the same theme setting and switch again. That's all there is to it. Open Settings, go to Personalization, choose Theme, and select Dark. Enjoy a more comfortable n8n workspace.